My, look at the front of that car. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is another brand new day. We're here again today with our beautiful 2015 Nissan Altima S Special Edition with remote start. We're planning on getting this thing finished up today. We got a lot to do to it today. We're going to jump on it. We got our bracket in. We're going to finish putting that bumper on this thing today. We also got some fresh oil, an oil filter. We're going to change the CVT fluid, just do some maintenance items, get it all cleaned up, and be 100% complete with this build today. Also today is price reveal day, so we're going to reveal everything that we've got in this car, everything we've spent to this point, from the time we bought it at Copart until today. So stay tuned. Let's jump on it and get some of this stuff done. Now that we got him all lifted up, you can see our beautiful orange paint under there. That looks really good. We're gonna button up the rest of the fender liners while we got it up on the lift. And then we gotta get over here and change the oil, and then we gotta deal with this CVT. So yeah, fun times. But you know what? JP, he's on his way. He's got us a brand new battery. He's got us some CVT fluid. He's got us some oil. He's got us some filter. We're gonna get all this stuff done, and then we're gonna bust out that green machine here in a minute. We're gonna get all this cleaned up. Right, me and JP, we've been turning it on. He's been over at the Walmart buying all kinds of stuff for this thing. We absolutely spared no expense buying the fluids and stuff, and this car is so happy right now. We got the motor took apart a little bit. We're gonna jump on this bumper bracket that we was missing the other day, because look here, we got him right from Nissan. We're gonna get this thing going, then we're gonna get it cleaned up. We're gonna see if we can get it out to its new home, because that's our goal. And don't forget, the price reveal is today. Man, me and JP, we've been working our rear ends off again today, but we about got this thing ready. Now we're gonna give it just a nice wash. We got the green machine. She's ready over here. So we're gonna give it a nice wash, and then we'll let y'all check it out when we're done. All right, today is price reveal day on this beautiful 2015 Altima S Special Edition with remote start. So we bought this car from Copart. It was $21.50. Buy it now. Came from Atlanta, Georgia. So that's what we paid. Fees and taxes and everything. Not really taxes, but fees, auction fees, broker fees, and all that stuff. We was $3,127 out the door. Then we had to find somebody to go pick it up, which was another $250. So we're going to jump on this thing and get it cleaned up, and then we'll talk more about the pricing. All right, man. Me and JP, we jumped on that thing. We jumped on it like a puma, and we got it all shined up. Look at it shining behind me. So that is really, really nice. We wanted to go over a little bit more of the price of the parts and stuff that we spent on this little 2015 Nissan Altima S Special Edition with remote start. So we had $113 for an axle, had $7 for a tie rod in, $10 for another tie rod in, $71 for a headlight, $50 in fender liners, $8 in fender brakes, $150 in control arm, you know, the suspension parts that we put in, not counting the axle. The axle was $113, like I already said. $87 for the fender, $35 for the front lower lights that was broke out over here on that side, $200 for the bumper, and it cost about $136 to get all that stuff shipped to us. The grill was $95. The emblem was $20, which has not came in yet. So that's a part that's coming. And then we had $12 in a bracket, $60 in alignment, and we just put a brand new battery on that was about $100. And then you saw us change the oil and the CVT fluid, you know, just those kind of maintenance items. So that's a pretty good list of everything that we got in this thing. So let's jump here and do a couple more things, and then we'll talk about the total cost. My, look at the front of that car. Man, she looks good. Man, check that orange out. Is that sweet or what? Look at that orange under there. All right, man, look at this thing. We got it all shined up. It is a beauty. Look at that slick paint job that the old Jet X 5500 laid down. JP, you can't even see this spot over here where I run all that base coat in the fender. Look at it, it's just as smooth as silk. Man, that thing looks good. We done a really good job on this car. Like I said, we got it from Copart, and it was $2,150. We put a little bit of time, and we did, you know, put a lot of love into it. But the total price with all the parts and all the material, the paint, you know, what shop supplies that we used is $5,340. Is that right, JP?
That's it.
$5,340. So that's about half price of what this car's worth on Kelley Blue Book. It's worth about $10,200 and something on Kelley Blue Book. So I think it's a good deal. I think it's going to make this young man a fine car. JP, he's fixing to take it out and hot rod it, drive it home today, you know, do some donuts. I don't know what he's going to do. No, but seriously, we're just going to drive it down the road, make sure everything tests out good and everything drives good, you know, with the maintenance items that we did today. But I think it's a really good car. I think it's going to last a long, long time. It's got some, you know, alloy wheels. It's got remote start, you know. I mean, you can't, the only thing it don't have is a sunroof, and JP didn't want to cut a hole in the roof, so we decided to back that out. But, you know, if you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate each and every one of you. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.